Have you ever imagined a cat that moves through the forest canopy with the grace of a monkey? Well, a creature of the night whose enormous, captivating eyes seem to hold the very mysteries of the South American rainforests. This is not a creature of myth, but a living, breathing marvel of evolution called the margay. Today, we embark into its world, a shadowy kingdom high above the forest floor. We'll get to know this elusive feline, exploring its unique adaptations and extraordinary behaviors. Its story is one of incredible agility and quiet survival. The margay is, for many, a ghost of the jungle. It is a small wild cat, rarely seen, and even more rarely understood by those on the ground below. Its life unfolds almost entirely in the upper reaches of the forest, a three-dimensional world of leaves and limbs that it has conquered like no other feline. Its existence is a testament to the power of specialization, a niche carved in a fiercely competitive world. To truly appreciate the margay, look up. Imagine silent, padded footsteps along a branch in the dead of night, guided by moonlight. What sets the margay apart are its extraordinary eyes, great amber orbs built to capture every last photon. Those eyes, paired with breathtaking climbing skill, make it perfectly suited to its vertical realm. A creature of shadows and heights, a masterful hunter in a world few predators claim. We'll uncover the fascinating details of its life and the rainforest web it depends on. At first glance, one might mistake the margay for a miniature ocelot, or even a tiny jaguar, and for good reason. Its coat is a masterpiece of camouflage, soft tawny yellow to brownish grey, adorned with dark spots, blotches and long rosettes. These patterns break up its outline, letting it melt into dappled light and shifting canopy shadows. The rosettes often have darker centers, adding depth to the coat, a beauty that once made it a target for the fur trade. Today, protection helps, but vigilance remains vital. Delicate and lightweight, comparable to a large house cat, adults weigh 2 to 4 kilograms, a slender, elongated body built for agility, surprising strength in its limbs. Powerful legs launch tree-to-tree leaps, broad paws with sharp, retractable claws, natural grappling hooks, an extraordinarily long tail, up to 70% of body length, acts as counterbalance, rudder, and stabilizer. As it leaps, twists, and turns, the tail fine-tunes every landing. A short muzzle and broad headhouse, immense eyes for binocular vision. Rounded ears swivel to catch faint sounds. From nose to tail, evolution sculpted the ultimate arboreal hunter. The margay is intrinsically linked to the forest. Its survival depends on dense, continuous tree cover. From southern Mexico through Central America to much of South America east of the Andes. Evergreen forests with multi-layered canopy provide pathways, hiding spots, and hunting grounds. A true creature of the forest interior, preferring primary old growth with tall, complex trees. It avoids open, human-altered landscapes. It also inhabits tropical dry forests, cloud forests, flooded forests, and mangrove swamps. The constant is always trees, not a creature of open savanna or grasslands. Its climbing ability and camouflage need vertical complexity. Home ranges are extensive for its size. Solitary life demands room to find prey and avoid competition. It marks territory with scent, on trees and along pathways. Home range size varies with habitat quality and food. Large, unbroken forests are essential. Fragmentation is a grave threat. Life in the canopy is different. Humid air, filtered light, a symphony of birds, insects, and monkeys. This is the world the margay has mastered. It spends most of its life aloft, hunting, resting, raising its young, rarely far from the nearest tree. The margay's movement is a spectacle of biological engineering, agility virtually unmatched in the cat family, often compared to a squirrel or a primate in dexterity. A high compliment for a feline. While leopards climb well, the margay operates on another level. It flows through the canopy. It dashes across branches, leaps gaps, and navigates the thinnest limbs with gravity-defying poise. This lets it exploit niches inaccessible to other predators. One secret lies in its ankle anatomy. The joints can rotate a full 180 degrees. This allows unique hind-foot grips, enabling headfirst tree descents. Most cats must back down awkwardly. The margay simply walks down, claws engaged, head oriented for the next move. It can hang from a single hind paw, freeing forepaws to manipulate or to snatch prey, convergent with primate-like grip. Effectively, 4 hands to navigate a lattice of branches. It can hang inverted, run beneath limbs, and make lightning-fast mid-air adjustments, tail balancing every motion. These acrobatics are fundamental to its hunting strategy. Its primary prey are arboreal, small monkeys, opossums, squirrels, and birds. Silence, speed, precision, a ghost in the branches, revealed in a breathtaking pounce from above. As the sun sets, darkness blankets the canopy. The margay begins its nightly hunt. Primarily nocturnal and crepuscular, it uses the cover of night to its advantage. Enormous eyes with a reflective tapetum lucidum gather faint starlight and moonlight, seeing where we would see only blackness. Hearing is equally acute, detecting a sleeping bird's feather rustle or a rodent's quiet gnawing. It moves with ghostly silence, placing each paw with care to avoid a snapping twig or shifting leaf. Its diet reflects life in the trees, predominantly small mammals sharing its treetop home. Tamarins, marmosets, squirrels, opossums, tree-dwelling rodents. Birds and their eggs are common, as are lizards, tree frogs, and large insects. An opportunistic hunter, it takes any manageable prey it can ambush. Canopy hunting reduces competition with ground-dwelling predators like ocelots, a masterclass in stealth and patience, an ambush predator that stalks slowly and strikes explosively. It closes the distance with a silent dash or a powerful leap from above. Sharp claws secure the prey, a precise bite ends the struggle, then calm. Energy conserved, risks minimized. Remarkably, margays may mimic prey calls. Credible observations include imitating a pied tamarin infant, perhaps luring adults into ambush. More research is needed, but it hints at cognitive sophistication. Like many felines, the margay is profoundly solitary. Adults live and hunt alone within territories, meeting mainly for courtship. Communication is subtle. Scent marks signal presence, reproductive status, and territorial boundaries. After around 80 days gestation, the female gives birth in a secluded den, often a hollow log, dense thicket, or tree cavity. Litters are usually a single kitten, rarely 2, born with eyes closed, dependent on the mother for warmth, nourishment, and protection. She nurses and grooms, hunts alone, and returns to strengthen their bond. As the kitten grows, she brings meat, care that is crucial for survival. She must guard against larger cats, snakes, and birds of prey. Education centers on the canopy, climbing, balance, confident leaps, stalking, and ambush, an apprenticeship lasting many months, sometimes up to a year. When fully skilled, the young margay leaves to claim its own territory. A slow reproductive cycle increases vulnerability to habitat loss and past hunting. The margay faces uncertainty. Its specialization makes it vulnerable to change. The greatest threat is habitat loss. Forests cleared for agriculture, cattle ranching, logging, and urban expansion, fragmenting populations into shrinking islands. Once heavily hunted for pelts, regulations reduced legal trade, but illegal poaching and occasional pet trade persist. Retaliation for poultry, though rare, still occurs. Preserve large interconnected habitats, national parks, biological reserves, and protected corridors, while enforcing anti-poaching laws. Partner with communities for alternative livelihoods. Choose products that avoid deforestation. Support research and monitoring. The margay's fate is tied to the rainforest. There is hope if we act together. To save the margay is to save a piece of the planet's wonder. So this unseen acrobat keeps leaping through moonlit branches for generations to come.